How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As usual, just been busy with life and stuff, but all is well, and I found another LR3. Picked up this 2005 LR3 back in August. It's got 165,000 miles and it's pretty unique. It's the 4-liter V6 engine that was shared with other Ford Explorers of that time. Not very many fans of the V6. I was pretty surprised to see that it was still running. In comparison, it is definitely underpowered compared to the V8. Although you can still tow up to 7,700 pounds, which is a pretty good amount. If you plan on going up to the mountains, though, you'll probably be better off with the 4.4-liter V8. Standard SE trim, so there's no navigation/air suspension display, just a little cubby there. We've got climate controls with seat warmers, front and rear, and then the upper and lower glove boxes. The sound system is the Harman Kardon, and I actually added this Bluetooth unit that hooks up to the car charger and aux port in the second row. I'll link that in the description. I think it's the best option for complete hands-free Bluetooth, mostly for older cars since it turns on and off with your car. All the normal terrain response settings, 4 high, 4 low, air suspension setting, and hill descent control. 1 sunroof, 2 moonroofs for the second and third rows. And this LR3 actually doesn't have the third row either. I noticed it was different when I saw that the second row headrests look similar to the L320 Range Rover Sports, and the pull strap was in the seat instead of at the bottom like the other LR3s. So just make sure your headrest is down, and then you'll pull the strap forward and the seat forward, then pull the tab on the shoulder to fold it down. Then lower anchor points for car seats as well, and then the tether anchors on the back. Really nice amount of trunk space in these LR3s. You have 44 cubic feet with the second row up, and then 90 cubic feet with it down. And where the third row would be, they still kept the cup holders and side compartments, which is kind of weird, but I guess can still come in handy if your camping setup is in the back. I actually found another video where they added a third row to a 5-seater LR3 because underneath the trunk mat, like the carpet, there's holes for the third row to be bolted in, which is a nice option to have if you wanted to add those seats. Just make sure you also get the third row like seat belt and trim to replace these side pillars. And one of my favorite features on these LR3s is the tailgate design. You can set your tools on it when you're working on something, or if you're at a park or out camping, it's extra seating. And if you've got a rooftop tent or installing crossbars, you can get up on it pretty easily and then just shut the top half. For tire size, this is a 255/60/19, and the wheel style is almost like the L320 as well. I wonder if they added those on here or if they came stock with this LR3. And then some pretty decent tread Goodyear Wranglers. And I'm actually pretty impressed with the V6 so far. I had a camping trip last month, and we had 5 people in the car with a super packed cargo area. We had firewood, everyone's cooking gear, tents, chairs, a bunch of backpacks and stuff, and fishing poles. And it did fine, you know, going up hills and stuff. We went over to Sedalia to Platte River to camp for a few days. And on some hills, it sounded like it was trying a little bit harder, but not that much more from the compared to the V8. And the gas mileage was actually pretty good too, you know, just on the highway and stuff. But overall, not too bad. And like I said earlier, not a lot of fans of this engine, I think just because it's not the 4.4-liter V8, which has a better reputation. This is my first V6. I'm not totally sure how it's going to end up. I'm not even sure what tends to fail on these, but I guess we will find out. And that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. I have a few updates for the channel. Have a great day.